Hello, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm gonna show you how to create a new element, which is a comment form element. Actually, the brick itself has provided us a comment box element, but I need some modification to achieve something like this. The comment box should be on top, and then there is a function to limit the character which a user can type into the comment box. Then I'm gonna display the character limit which is left. Let's say that this comment box has a 1000 character limit. So when the user type, and it will reduce to 0. Then after the 0, the user cannot type anything. I'm sorry, the user cannot type more. Let's go to our temp child folder. Let's see this. Since I'm gonna create new element, this should be done inside the brick child folder, so we will not lose any file when we update the parent temp. Just go to your WordPress installation, go to a web content folder, go to temps, and go to brick child, and open the folder with your code editor. I'm using the Visual Code here. So this is my folder. The first thing is I'm gonna create a new element file inside the elements folder. Let's name it custom comment.php. And the second step is I'm gonna copy a code from the default comment element. Go to bricks folder, go to include, go to elements folder, and then search for post comment.php. Then I'm gonna copy this code, all the code, then we're gonna paste it to our new custom element here. The first thing is I'm gonna change the class name. I don't know what it's called, but let's call it a class name for element. Here I'm gonna just add a custom, and then I'm gonna change the category to the custom category, so it should be shown under the custom category. The custom category is located on the bottom of the list of element here. This is custom, so the element will show up on list. Then I'm gonna change the name. It should be change the names because it will cause a conflict if there is an element with the same name. Just add a custom post comment. And I'm gonna change the label of the element, custom comment. And before I customize the code inside the public function render here, let's include the file so the builder can recognize our new element. Go to the functions.php file, and then go to the line 18, and just copy it and paste it below, and change the name to our actual element name, custom element, custom comment .php. Then let's save. Let's reload our builder. Scroll down to the bottom and you will see there is a new element, our new element. And let's add to let's delete this element first and add the new element here. Oh sorry, I should add the default comment element. So this is default and the top is our new element. Okay, let's reload, and here. Alright, as you can see that our new element look little bit messy. It's different from the default bricks element. Why? I will show you here. So this is our custom element root, and this is the element from bricks. Our custom element doesn't has a class name brxa post comments. Since because of that, our custom element doesn't has any styling, so the design look like a little bit messy. To fix this, let's add this class name to our custom element by using this. Go to the academy.bricksbuilder.io and search the article create your own element. Here we're gonna use this function to add a class to our root element. So go to our custom element file and scroll down to the bottom until you see the public function render. Then you can put anywhere between maybe between this until this line. I'm gonna put this, and I'm gonna put here this. I'm gonna set the attribute root class, and we're gonna change the root classes to to brxa post comment class name. Okay, let's save it and let's see the result. Alright, this is our custom element, and now it look better because it retrieve the style by class name brxa post comment. The style itself is inside the front end .min.css. Then let's go to our next step. I'm gonna move. Let's delete our default bricks comment, and let's reload. Alright, let's Okay, so I'm gonna move this comment box to the top of before the comment list. Here, go to our file and then just cut the code from I think it should be from here, and from line 481 until line 577. Just cut the code and the bricks inner php if, right, just paste it to this, right. Let's save and see the result. Okay, good. Now our comment box is in the top of the top before the comment list. So let's move to our next step. I'm gonna add a JavaScript function to limit the character which user can type on our comments. I'm gonna use this code from stackoverflow.com. and let's add in the JavaScript file which is required so we can paste the code into the file. So I'm gonna create new folder here, name it assets, and I'm gonna add a new subfolder. I will name it GS, and add a folder again, element. Then I'm gonna add a file which name is custom comment.js, something like this, and just copy the code and paste it. And then we're gonna enqueue the JavaScript file so it can load it by the builder and the front end. So go to the custom comment, and here we have a public function enqueue scripts. And go back to the article from the academy.bricks.builder.io, and here I'm gonna copy this public function enqueue scripts and put it on here, wp and script, and I'm gonna change the name to custom comment, yeah, that's right. And then go to our function, and here we're gonna register our script first. Register our script. Go to developer.wordpress.org and search for WP and QU scripts. I'm gonna register script first by using just use this code, and we're gonna change the NQU to register. go to the function and change the NQU to register. Then we're gonna change the name to match with the name from our custom element file. So we're gonna copy this and change this. Okay, get template directory Yuri. I'm gonna change this to style sheet. Sorry, it's wrong. Get style sheet here. Get style sheet directory Yuri, right? And I'm gonna change the path of the file. So it's gonna be assets GS element and the name of our JavaScript file. Yes, okay, and let's leave it. Then we're gonna include the file using the NQU script. Let's change it and let's delete this. And change the name and okay, let's see our front end. Let's see if it success included on the front end. Okay, let's search for custom comment JavaScript. Let's see, we have a custom comment JavaScript included on the bottom of our page. Okay, that's good. Let's log in. Let's check on the home page. It should not be included, right? The home page, because there is no form comment element, then the JavaScript file should not be included on this page. Right, there is something wrong. Let's see, it's still included on other pages. So let's take a look. I'm sorry, it should be like this, right? Just delete this, what is called in Indonesia is, what is the operator? I don't know the language in English. So just remove this sign. Then let's check again. Okay, we have a custom comment JavaScript on our single post. That's right. And let's check on our page. Alright, the custom GS is not included. This is good because there is no comment element in this page template. Okay, and let's add let's customize our JavaScript so it can be initiate by our form. So let's say this. Okay, here we have to add this code to our text area markup. So go to our new our new custom element and scroll down to the bottom and find the text area element here. We have the text area here, ID name, and I'm gonna add, copy and paste the code here, and here too. Okay, then we're gonna add this this HTML markup to maybe below the text area. So let's put it here. Okay, let's save it and let's say, all right, see, let's open our JavaScript file. See, you can set the maximum of character which user can type. I'm gonna change it to the 10. Let's see, and I'm gonna type it 1 2 3 4 5 6. Oop, it's still 5. Okay, do I need to clear my browser? Okay, let's do this again. One, okay, 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10. That's all. The user cannot type anymore. Let's change the layout of the button here. I'm gonna make the button to the right side here, so it can align with this text. Let's see the console. We have a paragraph class from submit, and I'm gonna add this. I'm gonna move this element to inside this p class form submit. So what I'm gonna do is go to the developer.wordpress.org and find a comment form, and you can see we can modify the argument for the button field. Where is the field? Here. You can make a change to our button field. Just copy copy this code, this line, and go to our custom comment element and find the where is that? Here. Go to our custom argument and just paste it below. And I'm gonna move this to this. I change the p to div and close with div too, and I'm gonna make the default text something like let's say I'm gonna limit the text to 1000 characters limit. Oh, not limit, left. I'm gonna change the JavaScript code to 1000 here, and let's reload. Oh, I don't know what's wrong. I think my... Alright, here we go. Oops, there's something wrong. I should remove this one, delete this, and I think this should be fixed. That alright, that's good. And let's take a look at our console and see that our notif to how much the character left, it has moved to the form submit element here. So I can use display flex and justify content to space between, then alright, this look better, and you can customize the layout for each field by edit the custom element which we created before, and let's hit submit. Oops, why there is function like this? I forget to oh yeah, I forget to here. So there is two way, there is many way, but if you wanna just limit the character by using some filter from a WordPress, then you can use this code, and when the user type more than the character you set, and it will show the notification like this. Here you can find it on degeneratepress.com, and just search for a setting character limit on WordPress comment here. So I'm gonna disable the function first, and let's go back. Let's see. Okay, let's submit, and yeah, we have a comment. It's working, I think. I'm sorry, I cannot explain well with my limitation speaking English, but I hope you guys understand the content of the video by watching the video, of course. And if you have something to ask me or suggest some suggestion, and I'm really appreciate that. That's all for today, I think. Thank you very much for watching, and happy coding. Bye bye.